Hello, I am Ishan Kulkarni. Today we learn about type of the cast iron and white cast iron in detail. First type is white cast iron. Second type is malleable cast iron. Third is grey cast iron. Fourth is periodized graphite cast iron. Fifth is mottled cast iron. Sixth is chilled cast iron. Next, now we learn about white cast iron in detail. First, we learn the composition. Second, cooling of hypoeutectic, hypereutectic, and eutectic composition of the white cast iron, and microstructure applications, and uh, we learn about type of the cementite and austenite. Let's start now. First is a composition. We learn about the composition of the white cast iron. First composition is carbon. Amount of the carbon is 2.3 to 3.0 percentage. Next, amount of sulfur is 0.06 to 0.2 percentage. Amount of manganese is 0.5 to 1.05. Amount of silicon is 0.5 to 1.3. Amount of phosphorus is 0.1 to 0.2. Generally, we use the hypoeutectic white cast iron. This is most important point. We generally use hypoeutectic white cast iron. Next, we learn about type of the cementite and austenite. First, we learn about primary cementite. What is meant by primary cementite? Cementite is directly crystallized from the liquid cast iron. Is nothing but a primary cementite, and below the CD there is a primary cementite. In second point, below the learning the second point, we learn what is meant by primary cementite. This is line CD, and below the line CD there is a primary cementite. Next point is hmm, next point is secondary cementite. What is meant by secondary cementite? When the cementite is separate from the primary austenite due to the reduction of the solubility of the carbon in the austenite. This is what meaning of this secondary cementite, and curve ES represent a secondary cementite. This is curve ES. This is secondary cementite. This is secondary cementite, and this is formed due to the reduction of the solubility of the carbon in the austenite. This is reduction of the solubility. Next, we learn about tertiary cementite. What is meant by tertiary cementite? Tertiary cementite, the cementite is originated from the ferrite due to the slightly decrease the solubility of the carbon in the ferrite. Next point, the tertiary cementite is represented by GQ. This is GQ. Sorry. This is JQ, and at this region there is a tertiary cementite. Here tertiary cementite is not explained, so tertiary cementite is not explained because the amount of the tertiary cementite is very low or negligible. Now we learn about what is meant by primary austenite. Primary austenite. The austenite is separate from the liquid, is nothing but a primary austenite, and this is represented by Bc. This is Bc, and below the Bc there is a melt and gamma solid solution is present. The gamma solid solution is nothing but a primary austenite. Next, next, this is the cooling of the hypoelectric white cast iron. First, this is the liquid region, and this is the cooling of the hypoelectric white cast iron. This is a vertical line is nothing but a cooling of the um, white cast iron, and below this liquidous line there is a liquid and dendritic austenite is present. And how we get the liquid is separate from the dendritic austenite. This is the dendritic austenite, and liquid phase is present, and this is a microstructure. Next, at this 1147 degrees Celsius, this is 1147 degrees Celsius, and at this point the liquid phase is converted into ladebrite, and at this region there is a dendritic region is a primary austenite and circular region is ladebrite. Next, at this region, at this point there is a reduction the solubility of bicarbon in the austenite and form the cementite. This cementite is nothing but a secondary cementite, and other reaction is the dendritic austenite is broken. This is the microstructure, and broken dendritic structure is nothing but a austenite, and circular region is ladebrite. Next, at this temperature 727 degrees Celsius, at this region, at this point the ladebrite is converted into the transformed ladebrite and broken austenite, which is converted into perlite, and the transformed ladebrite is obtained from ladebrite. In the ladebrite, the mixture of cementite and austenite, and this eutectic austenite is converted into perlite, and this uh, overall mixture is nothing but a transformed laterite. We see in this, this is the microstructure of at this point. At this point, this is a microstructure, and the dendritic structure is nothing but a perlite which is converted from austenite, broken dendritic austenite, and circular region is nothing but a transformed laterite. Mm. My next point is cooling of the hypereutectic white cast iron. This is the cooling of the hypereutectic white cast iron at below above the liquidus line. There is a liquid phase, and from point this to point this there is a reaction. This reaction is primary cementite is separate from the liquid, and primary cementite is represented as um, rectangular. Primary cementite is represented as in a rectangular structure, and liquid phase is also present here. And below at 1147 degrees Celsius, the liquid phase is converted into ladybirite. The liquid phase is converted into the ladybirite, and this is the microstructure of the at this point. Sorry for disturbing. हॅलो, जरा 2 मिनिट थांब, मी व्हिडिओ बनवला. हां हां, सॉरी सॉरी sorry for disturbing. Let's start now. This is a horizontal region. This rectangular region is nothing but a primary cementite, and circular region is nothing but a ladybirite. Next, next, the rectangular region. Next, at this point, at 727 degrees Celsius, there is a reaction take place. Such reaction is conversion of ladybirite into transformed ladybirite, and we know about transformed ladybirite. What is meant by transformed ladybirite? Transformed ladybirite is obtained from the ladybirite, and ladybirite is a mixture of the austenite and cementite, and the eutectic austenite which is present in the ladybirite is converted into perlite, and this is circular region is nothing but a transformed ladybirite, and in the hypereutectic white cast iron there is a primary cementite is also present. The conversion of primary cementite is not take place below the 727 degrees Celsius, means at a room temperature. This is the hypereutectic and eutectic cast iron and its microstructure. We observe this is the hypoeutectic white cast iron, and this is the hypoeutectic white cast iron. Now we observe the hypoeutectic white cast iron. Here the dendritic region are present, and uh, other transformed laterite is also present. Dendritic region is nothing but a perlite which is converted from austenite. Now discuss about eutectic cast iron and its microstructure. This is microstructure of eutectic white cast iron. Here 100% laterite also present, and this laterite is converted into transformed laterite. Next, here hypereutectic white cast iron. The rectangular region is nothing but a primary austenite, and this is the rectangular region. This is the primary austenite, and other phase is nothing but a perlite. Here at this microstructure there is a cementite. In this microstructure there is a so many broken dendritic austenite which is converted into perlite, so we cannot study the properly of the hypoeutectic white cast iron and its microstructure. So this is very confusing figure, so we do not discuss about it. Now we discuss about properties and application. First we learn about properties. Due to large amount of the cementite, white cast iron is very hard and brittle. The hardness of the white cast iron is 300 to 350 bhn. Second point, it is high abrasive resistance. Next, it is difficult to machine, so it is machined by grinding. Next property, it is compressive. It has high compressive strength up to 140 to 175 kilogram per mm square. Next application, wearing plates, roller and grinding balls. These are the application of this white cast iron. Next, due to high brittleness and it does not used for the structural application. Due to high brittleness of the white cast iron, it does not use for the structural application. This is most important point. Thank you for my watching the video, and get new updated video after subscribing my channel. We can subscribe my channel by clicking the bell icon. Thank you for my watching this video. Here we our video is not completed. I show my references which are related to this video. My first reference is Material Science and Technology book. The author of this book is a V.D. Kodgire. My second reference is Foundry Technology book. Next, my reference is a Principle of Metal Casting book. Author is R.W. Henn. My fourth reference is Physical Metallurgy book, Vijender Singh. My fifth reference is Internet. My sixth reference is Dhatutantra Prabodhini magazine. The magazine spelling of the magazine is wrong. Um, in this magazine there are articles, and I refer the article of Avinash Joshi and article of SW Mudekar. Thank you.